These whipped goat cheese and sliced apple crostini with hot honey are super tasty and so easy to put together. It starts by creating the whipped goat cheese in a food processor with a little cream cheese until it's smooth and creamy. You toast up some baguettes, and then you also slice apples and put them in salt water so they don't brown. Smear that creamy goat cheese on top of the crispy toast. Add a couple of sliced apples and drizzle with hot honey, and keep repeating until you've filled all those crostini up. Don't those look good? I like to finish them with some fresh thyme just for some herbaceousness. GinaBell.com. Enjoy, everybody.